Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and slime has become very popular with kids and adults of all ages. So today, I would like to show you how to make a simple, no-fail slime recipe. What you will need is slime glue, which you can find at craft stores and online, baking soda, contact lens solution that contains boric acid and sodium borate, water. Food coloring is optional if you want the slime to have color, a bowl, and measuring and mixing utensils. Let's start making the slime. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Place a half a cup of slime glue in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix to thoroughly combine. Step 2. Do you want color? Add some food coloring, just a few drops. And again, mix thoroughly. Step 3. We will be adding the contact lens solution. Start by adding 1 tablespoon. Again, mix. As you're mixing, you'll notice that you're starting to make slime. And when the slime pulls away from the sides of the bowl, it's ready. Now, if it's still sticky, and mine is, I'm going to add a little more contact solution. And I'm just squirting it in this time. And see now how the slime is really starting to go away from the bowl, the sides of the bowl. It looks like it's ready. It can be kneaded. To knead it, you just use your hands and play with it. Now, if it's still a little sticky on your hands, you might want to add a little contact lens solution to your hands. And now it's time to play with the slime. I hope that you enjoyed this video and decide to make some slime with your kids. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Also go to our website, needlepointers.com, for more information on slime and slime recipes.